Today guys, pupunta ako sa mall with mommy. Today guys, we're gonna buy our school supplies.
Ganito lang ata pag ano eh. Pag kinder, malalaki muna, hindi maliliit.
Paper. Crayon.
Ano yan?
This.
Pencil? Dapat
Yeah.
pang ano ka lang muna eh. Mongol 1. Yung mata, ito.
Pwede this.
Pang grade 1 tsaka
Because
kinder.
this is blue eh.
Ano yan?
Superman. Superman. Pencil. Another pencil. Sharpener.
Sharpener.
Sharpener. Pero nakakuha. Dapat sa malakas walang bola. Walin ako kahit walang bola. Eraser. Glue. Envelope. Uminki. Panggigil. My own scissor. Kulay blue. That's my favorite. Mama, ito kasi this is a problem. Let's go. Come on, show me. Yun guys, bibili naman tayo ng toy. And here, we're in the toy. Let's go find the dinosaur.
Ay ma'am, mamasili po.
Ang bilis kasi manakbo. Ang hirap binawan yun.
Daddy, mission complete. I have a toy dinosaur T-Rex. Mission complete. I got my toy. You are my favorite parents ever.
Nakabudol ng laruan eh.
My shop. This is my shop.
Let's go home na.
Let's go. Mamaya na, pag nag-inbox na ako nito, magbibideo ulit tayo. And today, guys, this is our dinosaur. And today, guys, we're gonna unbox our dinosaur toy. Wow. Go. Go. Whoa! Whoa! That's so awesome! Guys, we're gonna move this dinosaur. See? Not there. Okay. Sorry. That's the enough the video of the dinosaur, my pet. This is me, JK. That's vlogging.
Good morning, kuya. Time for school.
This is my Monday of school.
Jiki, baon, pandesal with cheese whiz, and ang paborito niyang orange, tapos orange juice.
Kain ako ng pandesal bago mag-school. Ito ang pandesal, my favorite. Tsaka mag-tiktok muna ako wakbas. Kaya lang to.
First day of school.
Oy.
Kuya,
Lang tayo?
first day.
Alam mo nangyari sa bata. Ay,
Yung kulay dilaw.
Wait ka namin dito ah.
Saan yung hindi, ma'am?
Wow, mayroon siyang star.
Daddy?
Morning, Dan. Bye-bye.
Very good. Alam ng lahat, no? Kung saan nabibilang yung isa, gamit or yung isa.
Eat ka na eat. What's that? May water ka kuya ha? Wala pang buhay. Wow! 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 Good job!
Sa Philippines na yung Shopee ko. Yung Shopee ko.
Hi kuya!
Ay, mami.
Are you happy?
Yes,
Did you enjoy school?
yes.
Good.
This is my third day.
Third day of summer class. Are you ready kuya?
Yeah.
Show me your excited face.
Mommy.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Bye kuya.
Aalis ka?
Hindi, dito lang.
Ate.
Ano kay daddy?
Let's go. Usapan. Mami. Ano ba? Ate Pikachu. May reward ba ako dyan?
Di pa siya dumadating. Bye kuya. Ako na, sama ka na. Bye!
I'm gonna play after this. Okay. Bye.
Yes po.
Bye-bye. Pati knockdown niya pa yung tower ko, tapos natawa pa siya.
Balik ng school kasi meron siyang assessment test for kinder para sa pasukan sa June. Galingan mo kuya ha. Sagot!
Ready na ang mga estudyante.
Ayan na tayo sa entrance exam. Punta na sa Day 5! Bukas walang pasok. Last day today. So, hawakan pa siya.
Bakit hindi doon? Mag-school na ako. Wala na akong school. Bye! Yeah.